So the name of this formula is called conditional formatting. And what we want to do, as you can see here on this spreadsheet, I've set up a budget report with items listed here on the left-hand side and the months here. And I've just made up some numbers so that we can work with those. Over here off to the right, you'll notice that I've created what's called a criteria. The criteria is just for our reference use, so we know how to create this formula. So in this case, it's greater than equal to 300, greater than equal to 1500, and greater than equal to 800. So my goal here is this. What I'd like to do is I would like to calculate in this row, for example, in row 4 for gas, everything that is greater than or equal to 300, I want to create that and make that cell bold and put it in the color of red. To be able to create this particular formula, what we want to do first is highlight the row that we're going to work with. In this case, it's going to be row 4, but notice that I only highlight the numbers in row 4. The next step is that I'm on the Home tab up here at the very top. I'm going to move my mouse over here to the Styles group, and in the Styles group, there is a button called Conditional Formatting. I'm going to click once on that, and then move my mouse to the very first one, which says Highlight Cell Rules. So I look at the rules here on the right-hand side. It says greater than, less than, and so on, but it doesn't kind of meet what I'm looking for. So I go to the bottom here, and it says More Rules. I click once on that. And I'm going to bring this window up so we can see that just a little bit better. And in the More Rules, it lists here that format only the cells that contain, and I have those already selected up here at the top. Down here at the bottom of this window, it says format only cells with cell value greater than. Click on the drop down arrow button here. I am looking for greater than or equal to. There it is, the second one from the bottom. Click once on that. And in this box here, what I'm going to put in is that criteria that I explained earlier, what I set up. In this case, it's going to be 300. Once again, the rule is no commas, no decimal points, no formatting of dollar signs or anything. So I typed in 300, and now we're going to take it one extra step. We're going to click on this box here that says Format. Click once on that. I think what we wanted to do again is we want to make this bold, and let's give it a color here instead of automatic. Let's go ahead and click on that, and let's bring our mouse down here to the first one, so that'll be a dark red. Go ahead and click on OK at the bottom of that screen. And I'm going to go ahead and click on OK once again. And now you can see when I click away from the cells here that everything that is greater than or equal to 300 is in bold red. Now let's just do it one more time just to kind of reiterate how this works. It says greater than or equal to 1500. The first step is to go ahead and highlight the row that we are working with. Go up here to Conditional Formatting. Click once on that. Move your mouse to where it says Highlight Cell Rules. Bring it on the way down to where it says More Rules. Again, move my window up here just a little bit, greater than or equal to in the middle of the window. And again, the rule is, as we discussed earlier, is 1500. No commas, dollar signs, or anything else like that. The format's going to be bold. And we're also going to, let's just give it, I don't know, let's make it blue. And then go ahead and click on OK. And so, OK again. And there we go. Everything that is greater than or equal to 1500 is there. Last but not least is the last one, everything greater than or equal to 800. Again, you know what to do. Highlight the, yes, that is right, highlight the row. Go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, go down to More Rules, and we change this, you know what to, greater than or equal to. Click in this box here, and the number that we're working with is 800. The format, we'll make it bold again, and this time we'll give it a green color. And click on OK, and OK again, and there you have it. So once again, this is called conditional formatting. Very easy to work with. It's a nice little feature. What's really nice is, in this case, like in the first row, if anytime somebody types in a number, let's say I type in 450 in cell B3 or B4, and I hit enter, it automatically changes that color. Once again, we pre-formatted the cells to kind of give us a heads up on what that looks like. So thanks for listening, and there you have it.